When you're working on those renovation or remodeling projects, wouldn't it be nice to have an extra set of eyes that could look down inside that wall and tell you where the wires and all the ductwork is? Or maybe if you have a clogged pipe, you can stick a little eye down in there to kind of see what's going on in there. Well, now you can. Ryobi has come out with the PhoneWorks Inspection Scope. Now, at the end of this long 3-foot cable here, you have a camera, and it also is illuminated with an LED light. You can stick this down inside of a wall, or you can stick it inside of a pipe and you can see what's going on in there. Now, it's also submersible, so if you have to root around in water, it's okay. But if you look, you say, hey, where's the display? And you'd be right, there isn't one here. So what you do is you pop on your smartphone, you connect to the Wi-Fi after you've downloaded the app, and now your phone has become the display screen. So not only can you see it here, but you can also record it. So now you have an extra set of eyes before you start those big projects.